I got the lock.
James got a lock.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I want to see if you can really get in.
No, you want me?
I'm not gonna lock you in there. I got the lock.
Get the fuck in and down.
Yes.
Hey, all that for nothing. All that conversation.
She ain't about to get in that motherfucker.
You gotta be able to do
See?
that.
The door has to be able to be closed.
Let's go quick.
Stop! No! Stop! Please stop.
Stupid.
Asshole.
Let her out. This is on film. Don't let her out.
I will break it. I will break
It's your locker.
This is your locker. We don't care.
She ain't stop, please. Come on. What the fuck? That shit hurt.
That's the point.
You the dickhead that did it. Let's see the video. Let's see the video. See how I lied.
Claustrophobic easily. That's an asshole move.
Tell me.